Hi children, today you are going to learn 7th class 5th chapter, that is triangles and its properties. In that exercise number 5.1. In our previous video, we have discussed about triangles and types of triangles based on sides and based on angles, and about some of the properties of triangles. So here in this video we are going to be solve the problems of triangles and its properties from the exercises 5.1 and 5.2. Okay, let's solve the problems here. In the first exercise, here we have to be take a decision by given information either triangle is possible or not. As we have learned the theorems and some of the properties in our previous video, that is, if sum of any two sides of the triangle, if it is greater than third side, then triangle is possible, or else triangle is not possible, or else we have one more theorem also. If difference of any two sides of the triangle is less than the third side, then also triangle is possible, or else triangle possibility will not be happens. So here we discuss there are four internal questions are given. In that there is only one bit in this. In the first bit, there is a first question here. See that 3 centimeter comma 4 centimeter comma and 5 centimeter. So we have to decide either triangle is possible or not. If possible, to have a triangle with the following sides or not. Okay, let's see. First of all, we'll just write that we'll add any two sides here. Let's take that here 3 centimeter plus 4 centimeter. It should be, this will be a greater than the third side 5 centimeter. Let's see it is possible or not. 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter, that is 7 centimeter, which is greater than 5 centimeter. It is a true. So this is the first. And we can also go for the second. Internally you change that and do it. 3 centimeter 5 centimeter you take. 3 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. Sum of these two sides should be greater than the third side, that is 4 centimeter is left over. Okay, this 2 will take as a two sides, and the fourth one, the next one is a third side. Now sum of this 3 centimeter plus 5 centimeter will give us 8 centimeter, which is greater than 4 centimeter. And we go for third one. In this case we take 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. The sum should be greater than the third side 3 centimeter. Yes, this is also a true statement because 8 is greater than 4. Here 4 plus 5 is 9 centimeter, which is greater than 3 centimeter. It is also a true statement. So it is possible sum of any two sides of the triangle will be greater than third side of the triangle. Hence triangle is possible. Therefore, with 3 centimeter comma 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter, the triangle is possible. Triangle is possible. We can construct a triangle here. It is a a scalene triangle, you can see that scalene triangle. Is a 3 centimeter suppose, is a 4 centimeter and it will be a 5 centimeter. So a triangle is possible with the given measurements. Now we see the next one, that is 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 6 centimeter. As it is also possible, we get equilateral triangle if all the sides are equal in the length, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 6 centimeter. All these three sides are equal. So it is called equilateral triangle as triangle is possible, even though we will check it once. So sum of any two sides should be greater than the third side. Here also you can write. Okay, sum of any two sides must be greater than third side. Must be greater than third side. This is our property, yes. So the property you write here also. Sum of any two sides must be greater than the third side. Only we are taking a sum. You can also take the difference of any two sides should be less than the third side. You can also take that. We can check with the difference also. If you check with the difference also, it will be satisfies. Okay, let's go for that. First, 6 centimeter plus this 6 centimeter should be greater than the third 6 centimeter. Yes, 6 centimeter and 6 centimeter, that is 12 centimeter is greater than 6 centimeter. It is a true. Else, here in this case, the triangle is possible. We can also check in the other two times. 6 centimeter plus this 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter plus this 6 centimeter should be greater than the 6 centimeter. Only once it is possible, then all the times it will be possible only. So same thing we are going to do it. We need not to do it second time also. Here directly in the first case itself we can write, because here triangle is possible, always we get the same answer. So therefore, with 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 6 centimeter, the triangle is possible. Triangle is possible. So we can also check with the third and fourth question also. There are two more internal questions in this exercise. Let us solve the third two questions also and check it. Either triangle is possible or not. Only we can go for sum or not difference. So some of them, they feel that difference is somewhat difficult. They feel this is finding difference is difficult. Then in that case you can go for the sum. Okay. Then let's go for the third one. The third question is that 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Here you have to observe very carefully, because triangle possibility will not take place here. Why? Let's take sum of, the statement should be right for every question. Sum of any two sides of a triangle is must be greater than third side. So let's take 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter here. Should be greater than, the sum should be greater than the third side. Here 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter, it gives us 8 centimeter. If 8 is greater than 8 centimeter, no, it is a false statement. Here itself we got a false statement. Then need not to check for other two. because three conditions should be satisfied. Here the first condition itself, it is not satisfied, hence here this triangle is not possible. Therefore, with the measurements of 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 8 centimeter, the triangle is not possible. Not possible. I hope you understood. We go for the fourth one. The question of the fourth one is that 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Let's check that 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Let's check with these three given measurements, triangle is possible or not. So check that first you have to write the same statement here. The sum of the any two sides of the triangle is must be greater than third side. So let us take for first step. Let us add these two sides first. 3 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. The sum should be greater than third side. 3 plus 5 is 8 centimeter is greater than 7 centimeter. It's possible that 8 is greater than 7. True. Then we go for that. Now 3 plus 7. 3 centimeter plus 7 centimeter. Sum should be greater than the third side, that is 5 centimeter. 3 plus 7, that is 10 centimeter. It should be greater than 5 centimeter. It is also a true statement. Then we go for the third condition is that now 5 centimeter plus 7 centimeter. 5 centimeter plus 7 centimeter, it should be greater than 3 centimeter. As here 5 centimeter plus 7 centimeter is that equal to 12 centimeter. Is greater than 3 centimeter. It is also a true statement. Therefore, we can write with 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 7 centimeter. The triangle is possible. The triangle is possible. So this is our exercise number 5.1. So our exercise 5.1 is got completed. So we have some more exercises also. So we go for exercise number 5.2 again. So in the exercise number 5.2 we are going to discuss about the altitude of the triangle and also median of the triangle. Some more important topics I will be discussing with you in this session. Just see that we have to learn what is median of the triangle and what is altitude of the triangle. So we are going to be entering 5.2 exercise. So let us go for median of the triangle. We go for altitude of the triangle. About these two words we need to be discussed. Okay, let's discuss about median of the triangle. So what is meaning of median? Median in the sense the middle place. That you need to remember. Altitude is nothing but a height. Okay, so median in the sense, suppose you take any triangle, just go through this. Suppose it is any triangle, any kind of a triangle. Namely, you take A, B and C. Here the median in the sense a line segment we start from the vertex of the one of the vertex of the triangle to the opposite side. Okay, a line segment from the vertex to opposite side exactly half of the total length. Suppose this BC is a 12 centimeter. So this line AD, suppose AD is known as median. This AD will divide and this AD is intersects BC and the place of exactly half of the total length. That means AD will divide the BC into two equal parts such BD is equal to BC, that equal to 6 centimeter. Before it was 12 centimeter, but this AD exactly the D will comes exactly at the 6. Okay, now I can also take other triangle. So let me take a triangle named as a XYZ. Suppose this is 16 centimeter and this is 15 centimeter and this is 8 centimeter. Let me take the median. See that from this vertex I will start now. From any vertex you can start. From the vertex if you are starting, from this vertex, what is the opposite side? This is the opposite side. XZ is the opposite side. From this vertex you draw a line which divides this segment, line segment, this side into two parts. That means now your YM, suppose we will give as a YM. This YM is known as median. When we can say this YM is a median, when this M is intersect, this YM is intersect, this XZ in exactly half of the total length. That means 7.5 centimeter and 7.5 centimeter. That means simple. From vertex to opposite side, exactly half of the total length. If a line segment intersects, it is known as median. So how many medians we can draw to a triangle? See that we can draw from this vertex, this is the opposite side. Yes, finish. From this vertex, this is the opposite side. Here, yes, this line segment from the vertex to opposite side, exactly half of this total length. If they intersect, that is called median. So we can draw 3 medians in a triangle. How many medians we can draw to a triangle? Maximum 3 medians we can draw to a triangle. Remember, only 3 medians we can draw to a triangle. Always start from the vertex to opposite side, exactly half of the total length. And see that all the medians will comes only in the triangle. It not comes the outside of the triangle. Always the median will comes interior of the triangle, inside of the triangle. It's not exterior of the triangle. Always the medians will comes interior of the triangle, not exterior of the triangle. The median always the interior of the triangle. Medians always interior of the triangle. Now this is about the median. Only from vertex to opposite side, exactly half of the length they intersect. Okay, altitude is nothing but a height of the triangle. Altitude is nothing but a height of the triangle. See that here, suppose it is a triangle ABC. Carefully you need to be observe this. This is very important. Here I can draw. Here I can draw line. Here also I can draw. Here also I can draw. Here also I can draw. From here also I can draw a straight line. Here, I can draw many lines. So these all are known as a height of the triangles. This all known as a height of the triangle. The maximum height is this. These are smaller than this line. Yes. So the maximum height of the triangle is known as a altitude of the triangle. Altitude of the triangle. The maximum height of the triangle is known as altitude of the triangle. How this altitude will comes in the triangle? Let's see. The same concept what we use in the median, but and some different. Suppose ABC. If BC is suppose 12 centimeter. Okay. Then from vertex to opposite, a straight line, wherever it comes, it not necessarily that it should come exactly half of the total length of the third side, opposite side. No. It comes from vertex to opposite, a straight line which is perpendicular. Which is perpendicular also. It intersected perpendicularly. And here you see, it will not be intersected. If you take a median now, suppose it is a 6 centimeter and this is 3 centimeter, 8 centimeter and this is a 7 centimeter or a 4 centimeter. If you take anything. From this, if you draw a median will comes like this. See, it is not a straight line. It only depends on that the length of the opposite side. If length of the opposite side is 6 centimeter, it is intersects at 3 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Then it is known as a median. But here from vertex to opposite side, a perpendicular line. From vertex to opposite side, a straight or perpendicular line is known as median. See that, suppose this is AD is known as altitude. AD is known as a altitude of the triangle. Here AD is perpendicular to BC. This is called perpendicular symbol. Note it, the reverse T is known as perpendicular symbol, which indicates that these two sides are perpendicular each other. Okay, then see that here AD from vertex to opposite side, a perpendicular line, a straight line. So here it comes that the median always interior of the triangle. Median you draw for any triangle, always we get the medians inside of the triangle. But in the altitudes not always interior of the triangle, sometimes it is the exterior of the triangle also. The altitudes, here see, if I draw the altitude, these three altitudes also interior of the triangle. Sometimes there is some kind of a obtuse angle triangle, suppose it is a triangle, obtuse angle triangle, suppose ABC. In this, what will be the height of this triangle? Can you say this is height? Can you say this is height? This is height? No. Here see, the altitude will comes like this. From vertex to a straight line. Here you can extend this line again like this. So this is called altitude. From vertex to a straight perpendicular line. This line you can extend like the dots. See, now this is known as height of this AD is known as height of this ABC triangle. So in this case, the altitude is the exterior of the triangle. So you cannot say that altitude always interior of the triangle. Sometimes it is a exterior of the triangle also. You need to mind only one thing, that a median in the sense from opposite side, from vertex to opposite side, exactly middle place. If you draw a line, it's known as a median. From vertex to opposite side, exactly middle place, if you draw a line segment, it is known as a median. From vertex to opposite side, a straight line, nothing but a perpendicular, is known as a altitude. Here medians are always interior of the triangle, hence there will be only 3 medians are possible. Here altitude is not always interior of the triangle. Sometimes they may interior of the triangle and sometimes they may exterior of the triangle, that is based on the shape of the triangle. And maximum we can draw only 3 altitudes here also. Simple. And this is the introduction about our 5.2. So let us discuss about the problems which are involved in this exercise 5.2. The problems which are involved in the exercise number 5.2. Based on the median and altitude, there are problems in this exercise. So I hope you understood the meaning of a altitude and the meaning of a median. So here the exercise problems. They have given here first bit itself. Here they have given a diagram. Let me draw the diagram here. Here it is A, it is B, and it is C. A, D, this is E. Here we need to be identified. So this should become like exactly half of the length. Yes. Now here that is. Then here the first question is that in triangle ABC, midpoint of BC, the D is a midpoint of BC. Here D is a midpoint distance for BC. Okay, then AD is the dash and AE is the dash. Can you identify? Can you tell what are that? Yes, AD is, you said that, median of, this is a triangle symbol, ABC. Median of triangle ABC. AE is a straight line which is perpendicular to the BC. Then it is altitude of triangle ABC. Yes, the first question. The second question solution. Name the triangle in which two altitudes of the triangle are two of its sides. Name the triangle in which two altitudes are there, and the two altitudes also the sides of the triangle itself. So the triangle is right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. You know, based on angles, there are three types of triangle: acute angled triangle, right angled triangle, and obtuse angled triangle. In that right angled triangle, if you see the diagram of a right angled triangle, here one of the angle will be 90 degrees in the triangle. Suppose this is a ABC is a right angle triangle where right angle is located at B is equal to 90 degrees. Then these two sides are known as altitudes because here AB is perpendicular to BC and BC also will be perpendicular to AB. So it is known as a altitude, and this also will be known as altitude only. So these two altitudes also the sides of the triangle itself. So we did not no need to write one more altitude. If you try to draw a altitude from the vertex A, you get again this same line. From vertex to opposite side, a straight line. From this vertex, if you draw a straight line, it comes like this. Okay. So these two sides are perpendicular to each other, hence they are known as altitudes of the triangle ABC. A triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. Okay, this is what you need to be remember. And the question number 3, which I have written here already, I already discussed about with you. Does a median always lie interior of the triangle? Yes. Yes. The medians The median always lies interior of the triangle. The median always will be interior of the triangle only. We have seen the many diagrams. You can draw one or two diagrams here if you want to draw in the fair note. Okay. Here fourth question. Does an altitude always lie in the interior of the triangle? No. Not always. No. Okay. No. The altitude not always lies interior of the triangle. Not always lies interior of the triangle. Not always. Sometimes they may be exterior of the triangle also. Triangle also. Triangle also. For example, you draw an obtuse angle triangle and show that it is a B and C. The altitude you start from the A with a dots. Exterior altitude. It is an altitude but exterior. It's not an interior of the triangle. So here the fifth question, solutions. Write the opposite vertices. Okay, opposite to the vertices y. Write the side opposite to the vertices y in the XYZ triangle. Here x, first one, x, y, z is a triangle. We need to write the opposite, the side opposite to the vertices y. The side which is opposite to the vertices y, which side it is? xy. Here xy is the side which is opposite to vertices y, which is opposite to vertex y. Similarly, there are second question also. Write the angle opposite to the side PQ in triangle PQR. To draw the triangle PQR here, PQR. So, write the angle opposite to the side PQ. So, here the PQ, the opposite angle is R. The angle R, which is opposite to the side PQ. So similarly, you have to draw a diagram for third one. See that? Draw the vertex opposite to the sides to AC. Suppose this is a triangle ABC. Write the vertex opposite to the AC. Here the AC vertex, which is the opposite vertex? Here B. The vertex B opposite to the side AC. So here this is what our exercise 5.1 5.2. In this exercise we have discussed about the median and altitude and some of the questions. These two questions are important for our exam also. Just go through these two questions also. So I hope you understood this exercise very clearly, and this video also just keep on practice, and also watch that the triangles and its properties introduction class so that you can learn more ideas about the triangles. Okay, in our next video we'll discuss about the 5.3 exercise all the problems. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you all. Bye.